Introducing the Cheerway 72-inch electric fireplace, a versatile and captivating addition to your living space. With its sleek design, flexible installation options, and an array of customizable flame effects, this fireplace brings warmth and elegance to any room. In this review, we will explore its remarkable features, user-friendly operation, safety measures, and the peace of mind offered by its warranty and support. Join us as we delve into the world of cozy ambience and modern convenience that this electric fireplace offers. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Installation flexibility. This electric fireplace offers remarkable flexibility in installation. With compact dimensions, it can be seamlessly integrated into your living space. Notably, it can be both recessed in the wall and wall-mounted, allowing you to choose the setup that best suits your preferences and room layout. The 6-inch thickness of the unit not only contributes to its sleek and modern appearance, but also makes it relatively lightweight and easy to install. This versatility ensures that it can effortlessly find a place in your bedroom, living room, or entertainment center. Number 2. Captivating flame display. One of the standout features of this electric fireplace is its ability to create a captivating and realistic flame experience. Users have the luxury of choosing from 13 flame colors and 13 flame bed colors to tailor the ambience to their liking. The full spectrum and high-intensity LED colors are reflected beautifully onto the clear crystal glass stones, resulting in a mesmerizing flame effect that mimics the appearance of a real-life fire. This remarkable visual display adds warmth and charm to your space without the drawbacks of ash and gas associated with traditional fireplaces. Number 3. User-friendly operation. Operating this electric fireplace is a breeze due to its user-friendly controls. You have 2 convenient options: a remote control and a touch-screen interface. These controls allow you to manage every aspect of the electric fireplace with ease. You can adjust the air supply power, set a timer for 1 to 9 hours, independently control the heating and flame functions, and fine-tune the flame color and temperature to your desired levels. This level of control ensures that you can create the perfect atmosphere for any occasion. Number 4. Thermostat and safety features. This electric fireplace is designed with both comfort and safety in mind. It can be used throughout the year, as it offers the option to operate with or without heat. The temperature is fully adjustable, ranging from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to maintain your ideal room temperature. Furthermore, you can select between energy-saving 750 watts and high-level 1500 watts heating options to suit your heating needs. Safety is paramount, and the fireplace incorporates an auto heat kill safety feature to prevent overheating, providing peace of mind during operation. This feature ensures that the unit will automatically shut off if it detects excessive heat, preventing any potential hazards. Number 5. Warranty and support. Cheerway stands behind its product with a generous warranty and guarantee. Within the first 30 days after your purchase, you are entitled to a free replacement or a money-back guarantee if you encounter any issues with the fireplace. Additionally, for 12 months, the manufacturer offers free parts replacements to address any installation problems, damaged components, or missing parts. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 5.91 inches depth by 72 inches width by 17.72 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Pros and cons. 5 reasons to buy. Flexible installation for wall mounting or recessed use. Diverse flame display with 13 flame colors and 13 flame bed colors. User-friendly remote and touchscreen controls. Adjustable temperature and heating power. Auto heat kill safety feature for overheating prevention. 1 reason not to buy. Corded electric power source may limit placement options. Conclusion. The Cheerway 72-inch electric fireplace offers a delightful combination of installation flexibility, captivating flame effects, user-friendly operation, adjustable heating, and comprehensive safety features. With its generous warranty and lifetime support, it promises to be a reliable and stylish addition to your living space, providing both warmth and aesthetic appeal. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.